Here's a fast and simple formula to manifest whatever you want in your life. Hi, I'm Saratoga Ocean, and I help people to navigate their spiritual awakening and embark on a conscious path of ascension. In this video, I'm going to share an amazing secret with you. This is a simple formula that will help you to supercharge your ability to manifest anything faster. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button so you catch all of my videos to help guide you on your spiritual journey. We all want to manifest things quickly because that is our true human nature as creators. But so often we get stuck in confusion, doubt, and distractions. And this causes us to procrastinate in creating the life that we want because it seems like there's so much to figure out. So I'm going to show you a way to cut through all of the mental and emotional clutter so you can get on the fast track to manifesting exactly what you want. Here's how it works. Think for a moment about something that you want to manifest. Now, right now, that vision exists as an idea in your mind. And manifesting it means to bring that vision into a physical reality. So imagine a pathway from that vision in your mind to a full manifestation of that vision in the physical world. That's the goal. So if the vision is A and the physical manifestation is B, then we want to get from A to B as quickly and efficiently as possible. So what stands in our way and slows us down? What stands in our way is a lot of thinking about it and a lot of conflicted emotional energy. It's like you have a clear vision of what you want, and that vision seeks its expression in the physical world. But on its way to manifestation, your vision runs into a gigantic obstacle. And that obstacle exists inside of you. The obstacle is a belief that you must first untangle that web of thinking and emotional energy before you can actually manifest what you want. It's like this giant ball of internal energy that demands recognition and resolution before your vision can make its way into your physical reality. Well, let's face it, this could take a very long time. And you may never untangle that ball of energy, which is why so many visions fail to reach their manifesting conclusions. And that just leads to discouragement. But here's the thing. There's no rule that says you have to untangle that mental and emotional ball of energy before you can ultimately manifest something. So I'm going to show you a simple and amazing way to bypass that. Now think about this. What is the final bridge to anything manifesting on the physical level? It is your physical actions. The only thing that leads to a physical manifestation is a physical action. So that's what we want to pay attention to. Physical action takes place on the space-time continuum. Now, we tend to think of our physical actions as taking up time, right? But I want you to think of them as taking up space, because time is space. So every action that you take on a daily basis takes up space in your life. Every action that you take occupies a portion of your life. And let's not forget that your life is precious. And because it's precious, it's wise to be mindful of what you are putting in the space of your life. Now, here's the next thing you want to think about. Every single action that you take does one of two things. It either serves to hold your current situation in place, or it serves to move your life forward to a better manifestation. Now let's put this all together so you can see how simple it is to increase the speed at which you can manifest what you want. First, make a decision to put all of the mental and emotional clutter aside. You can work that stuff out later. You don't have to attach it to the thing you want to manifest. Next, you want to be crystal clear about what you actually want to create. Now, recognize this one thing. Every action that you take today will either move your life closer to your desired manifestation, or it will serve to hold your old reality in place. And that's it. There's literally nothing else. And this includes small actions like when you go to sleep at night, or what you do in your spare time, or how you treat the people in your life. Also realize that every action is preceded by a decision. So you want to hone in on that tiny preceding moment when you decide to either do something or not do something. Pause and ask yourself this question. Is what I'm about to do going to move my life closer to my vision manifesting? Or is it going to keep my old reality in place? You will instantly have your answer. So in every moment of every day, you are faced with this very simple choice. You are either doing something that contributes to the gradual physical unfoldment of the vision you want to manifest, or you are doing something that further cements your old reality in place. Now, here's the amazing thing. By following this simple formula, you can literally control the speed at which you manifest what you want. And I'll give you a simple analogy to keep in mind. Imagine that you are sitting in a parked car. You're looking at the same scenery every day. The scenery is your life as you know it now. But you have a vision for a new experience and some much better scenery. And the only way to get there is to get the car physically moving in that direction. But what if you decided that you had to sit there and not drive forward until you finished working out all of that inner stuff? You might sit there looking at that very same scenery for a very long time. Now, in terms of that car moving forward, there are only two actions. You either put your foot on the accelerator to go forward to your new destination, or you keep your foot on the brake, in which case you will stay exactly where you are. And your daily actions are very much like this. There are certain actions that you take that represent keeping your foot on the brake. And there are other actions that represent placing your foot on the accelerator to go forward toward what you desire to manifest. So if you want to increase the speed at which you manifest, focus on your daily actions. The more actions you take that support the physical manifestation of your vision, the faster you will manifest exactly what you want. And the more actions you take that serve to hold your old reality in place, the more you will slow down whatever you desire to manifest. So you can go as fast or as slow as you want. And by using this simple formula, you can actively and consciously control the speed at which you create exactly the life that you most desire. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it out with your friends. And be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post a new video to support and guide you in your spiritual awakening. And with that, I'm sending you loads of love, light, and positive energy. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.